Schizophrenia is a serious mental disorder that affects a person's perceptions, thoughts, emotions, and behavior. People with schizophrenia may experience symptoms such as hallucinations, delusions, thinking disorders, and language disorders. Symptoms of schizophrenia can appear slowly or suddenly, and can affect a person's ability to carry out daily life. Includes drug therapy and psychological therapies, such as cognitive therapy and behavioral therapy. In drug therapy, doctors may prescribe antipsychotic medications to help reduce symptoms, such as hallucinations and delusions. Meanwhile, psychological therapy can help individuals with schizophrenia to develop skills to cope with symptoms, improve social relationships, and enhance their quality of life. Thank you for watching.